iPPi is an all-in-one property price, market data, and valuations platform. We centralize all available property data to create the cleanest, most current, and the most comprehensive property transaction database to property professionals all across Ireland. Today, I'm going to go through creating an appraisal step by step and add some new features we've added over the last coming weeks and more to come. So we're going to go in and we're going to be able to see the new feature of you being able to title the report, whichever you plead. So valuation report, Mr. Smith. And you could also add your company name. So I'll just put ours. You can have your own if you wish, and you can then, we'll go in and give an example property today. A house, 4-bed. If you know, put in which are marked as a star would be great. The more information we have, and we can then go grab a Google Street View. I want to just turn around here. Take its print. Step 2. So you can see here that we've color coded on the right hand side over at the map as to the sold properties, for sale properties. So if I don't want to see for sale, I just unclick them. It'll load. So let's just zoom in here and pick 3 properties on the road so we can see 38 was for sale, and we can use them. You're going to see 3 boxes across the top: mean price per square meters, suggested price based on square meters, and the mean price comparables. So you're looking at the 3 comparables that we've chosen coming in at 1.3. Again, you can go into a lot more detail. You can click in, have a look at the property, and have a look at the condition, the orientation, and see which. So we go into adjustments, and you can see we're at 1.2, let's say, to 1.3. Again, this is an example property, and I'm giving a range of value here. You can give adjusted, you can set a price, or you can give a detailed adjustment. Now, into the widget section, and you can then decide, right, what do I want to show in the report? So depending, you can tailor it on the conversation that you're going to be having. So if I know that this may be a developer and you might want to know what the rental yield is in specific areas, I can go in and tick each box. So let's, for the argument's sake, let's just go in and tick them all. You can always then go in and put in a satellite map if I prefer, and then I want to generate the report. I can address it. So Mr. Smith again. And we can see it takes a couple of seconds, draws the report up. These are action buttons across the top. Refresh, you can download it, and you can send it as an email. So you can go in and you're creating your own cover photo. You can put in your own, in my account section, I'm going to go through that over on the right-hand side. You can put in your profile picture. You can put in your company logo at the top. So you're really white labeling this for yourself. You address the property, how you've titled it. In here, you can put in, if you've got some blurb about your company or contact details, so you can put it in there. But we can see we're looking at the executive summary, which is the final valuation, range of value, property type, number of beds, size, and the comparable properties that we chose. So you can choose a couple more. I just chose 3 as an example. Into then having a look at the advertised prices on the market. So we're seeing here the stock, beds, average sale price, average size, and the stock available. All of this is available back in the platform in more detail. You can actually go in and have a look at the stock. Into statistics for rent by number of beds, you're looking at the beds, average rental price, average gross rental yields, and the stock available. Into a discussion. So you may have appraised a property in a particular area and you might have a response or some comments about that area. And here's a chance to you can basically create some yourself, and then you can see the location of where the property is, both on the satellite. You can turn them on and off. Nearby amenities, which is a great feature and a prospecting tool. You can see there's crashes near if people are looking for schools, primary and secondary, parks, restaurants, an ATM. And then on the bottom, which you probably haven't seen before, but the new graph functional, whereby it's a lot easier to see what the sold history and how it's performing. So no doubt we'll see some movement in the market over the coming months. Into volume of sales within the area, and you can pick which area you're operating in. So you can see there's a good bit of movement here, and along then with the average sale price within that area. I hope you found that helpful, and tune in again for more videos soon. Thank you.